What's up, my beautiful vibes fam? Welcome back to my channel where good food and, of course, some proper good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. Today, we'll be making some special shrimp fried rice and also some bacon shrimp fried rice. So, this is two videos combined together in one accord. So, here I have one large onion and I'm going to cut that up and then let's saute. So I'm going to be adding about 2 tablespoons of oil and then let's saute. So you know the drill. We are going to be stirring and just loving on this pot until these onions are translucent. You know, you can see they're just nice and glistening, right? So here I left it for about 2 minutes and then I came back, stir it up, and now I'm going to add my curry powder. So I'm using Better Pack curry powder. Use whatever curry you want. And I'm going to be using the entire pack. So if you're using another kind of curry, maybe just use like about 2 tablespoons of curry powder, right? So we're going to be stirring this around. We're still doing the whole burning your curry process, right? So yeah, here it is now. I'm going to be adding my washed rice. So I'm using 3 cups of basmati rice. I washed my rice and now I'm adding it to this nice little juicy curry situation, right? So go ahead and stir that up and I'm going to leave it. After I'm done combining everything, I'm going to cover it and leave it for 4 minutes, right? Just to let all the flavor and everything just infuse together, right? So cover it, leave it alone. And this is now after 4 minutes. Yes. And go ahead and give that a stir. And of course, some of it might stick to the bottom of the pot. Don't worry about it. Okay? Or make sure your fire is not too high. So here I am adding 600 ml of vegetable stock. And if you only have chicken stock, then go ahead and use that, right? It really doesn't matter. But I'm using vegetable stock and stir that up. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add a little bit of water, hot water, by the way. So maybe this is about 300 ml. Yes, so stir that up and then we're going to cover this and allow it to dry down for the water to dry out. And then here it is after all that liquid has been evaporated. So stir that up, vibes fam. Of course, it's not done cooking. So we're going to stir it up, right? Because we need for an even cook on the rice. Then we're going to cover it up back and allow it to finish cook. So here I have my shrimp and I added some salt, black pepper, and then I'm going to go in with some all-purpose seasoning. Now, you don't have to season your shrimp if you don't want to, but vibes fam, listen. Come a little closer. Trust me, when you season every area of your food, I'm telling you, you only do yourself some nice little favor is really flavor. But yeah, here it is all done. So here I'm adding 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. So actually you could have added the soy sauce when you added the vegetable stock, right? But yeah, I forgot, so I'm doing it now. By the way, I will link the original video down below in the description box. So yeah, go ahead and stir that up. Don't worry about it. Stir it in. It doesn't matter that you didn't add it when you're supposed to. Don't worry about it, okay? So stir it up now. That's you all nice. And yeah, look at that. Cover it and we're gonna leave it for about another 5 minutes. So here I have, I think about it was a carrot and a half, and I grated the carrots, so just set that aside. So see, I came back to my rice. Now it's all done cooking and I am going to add it to my bowl and to set that aside. So there it is. Now let's work on our egg. We're gonna work on all the other niceness that we're gonna be adding to this. Oh, forgive me, it's the shrimp. So yeah, vibes up, add your nicely thoroughly seasoned shrimp to that wok and we are gonna get to cooking. right? So leave that, and then I'm cutting up my scallion or spring onion. Cut them up. There we are, all done. Set that aside, and let's go back to what? The shrimp. So look at it, bubbling away. Turn them over. We're just trying to get a nice little color on them. Beautiful. So it's all done. By the way, shrimp don't take long to cook, so maybe 5 minutes, right? So here I have my eggs. I'm using 3 eggs, and I always break my egg in separate container, right, before I put it in the other container, just in case one is spoiled. So 3 eggs, and I'm also going to be doing what? Seasoning my egg as well, right? But let's back up a bit. So here I have my carrot, and I'm adding that to the same pot that I just cooked the shrimp in. Vibesam maximize on the flavor. So you just add it to the same pot, right? In that same nice oil. So just cook this for about, just do it for about 3 minutes. So just getting a nice little, getting the flavor on the carrot. Nothing much. We're not really doing not much, right? Just 3 minutes. Spin it round, then take it out. And then here now I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of oil again. And let's go in and do what? Our egg. So for the egg, I added, it's black pepper, some salt, and of course, all-purpose seasoning. Yeah, I added all-purpose seasoning as well. So go ahead and scramble your egg, because a little scrambled egg in your fried rice is just so good to your little taste buds. So yeah, scramble away. And then once you are done, then we're gonna take it out. Are we gonna take it out? No, we're adding the carrot. So add the carrots, and then of course we're going to just combine them together, vibes. So I'm just mix them up, mix up. Yes, mix them up, and then of course we are going to add our nice little rice. Flavor galore. Oh, first let's add half to 1 tablespoon of grated ginger. Right, so you don't want to leave this out. I'm telling you, Vibesam, I promise you, this does wonders for this recipe. So now we're going in and we're gonna add that rice, and make sure you mix up everything, mix up the ginger properly with the egg and the carrots, right? You don't want clumps of ginger in your fried rice. So then now, of course, we're gonna go ahead and do what? Combine, me say. Combine. Mix up, me say. Mix up. Mix up. So yeah, go ahead and combine everything. And of course, Vibesam, it is coming together, looking so good. If you are the cook that tastes everything, go ahead and taste. But no. First, let me add this nice little shrimp, and we don't want to leave that luxury juice out. Yes, so make sure you scrape out all of it from the container, and of course mix up, combine. Vibesam, it's looking so good. Now we are going in with the scallion. So turn off the fire, right? Turn off the stove now, and then you add the scallion. And come back. Vibesam, look at niceness. Look at niceness. She look nice. She looks so good. Yes, girl, you look amazing. So mix it up, and then this is us, Vibesam, looking so lusciously good. And here we have it, Vibes fam. Here we have it. This delicious, amazing, special shrimp fried rice. Of course it's special because I'm telling you, it has all the special flavors in it. It is so good, so good. So this is a recipe that you must try, I promise you. So tell me, would you try this one? Okay, let's move on to the bacon fried rice. Yes, goodness galore in this one too. Here are my ingredients, of course. And for this one, go ahead and preheat your oven to 200 or 220 degrees Celsius, right? So I'm going to be putting my bacon in the oven. So this is 6 smoke bacon, smoke back bacon rasher, thick cut. So put it in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes, and look at it bubbling away in there. Bubble, girl, bubble. Then yeah, when it's done bubbling, we take it out, allow it to cool, and then here we go, we're gonna cut them up, right? So I like putting my bacon in the oven because guess what, Vibes, it separate the oil from the bacon, right? You can of course do it on the stove top. You can fry it up on the stove top. Do not put any oil in your pot, right? I did a bacon egg fried rice recipe a couple days ago. You can look for that video, go into rice recipes playlist, and you will find it. So yeah, cut it up, and I separated the crispy bits from the other part, right? Here it is though, and then now I am adding some chopped up onion to just a little bit of oil. You know, I don't like using a lot of oil, no oily food around here. So yeah, go ahead and saute that onion nicely. Then we're adding what is this now, 1.5 tablespoons of chopped garlic. Mix that up together as well, and then now we are going in with some niceness, all the colors of the rainbow in these bell peppers or sweet peppers. Mix that up, mix that up. A lot of stirring is taking place. I will link this video down below too as well. So leave this for 2 minutes. So this is after 2 minutes. I came back and look at it smoking away. Now we're adding some grated carrots. Yes, and you don't have to grate it. You can cut it up if you want. But I grated my carrots, okay? So next I'm adding, this is the bacon oil. Vibes, Sam, don't leave this out. If you put your bacon in the oven, some oil is going to leave back in your tray. Add this to the rice. I'm telling you, Vibes, Sam, just all the flavor. So go in with some scallion, some chopped up or scallion or green onion. Stir that away, and go in with the bacon. Vibe, some tell me that is not goodness galore. So here I added 3 cups of cooked rice. So make sure you cook your rice. And then I went in with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, right? So stir that up, combine everything, combine. Yes, Vibes, some see it look combinacious now, right? It comes together so lovely. Look at it. Ooh. Listen, if you know food or know the tasting of food, I'm telling you, you know without a shadow of a doubt this tastes good, right? By the way, add more soy sauce if you want. By the way, next thing, make sure you taste as you go along to make sure that your food is to your liking. So add more soy sauce if you wish, and remember, dark soy sauce or regular soy sauce is more salty than what do you call the other one? Oh my goodness, you know, than the other one. I can't remember it. But yeah, Vibes, Sam, here we have it, this delicious bowl of bacon fried rice. And Vibes, Sam, let's top it off with the crispy bits. Top it off, sprinkle it. Oh yeah. Come true, niceness, come true. Okay, yeah, the other soy sauce, it's reduced salt soy sauce, right? So yeah, that has less sauce, of course, as it says, reduced. But remember, the regular soy sauce is very salty, so be careful. But yeah, Vibes, Sam, look at niceness. This looks so good. So comment down below and tell me, of the 2 recipes, the special shrimp fried rice or the bacon fried rice, which one do you prefer? Which one would you try? Are you a fried rice lover? Let me know all the things, and go ahead and click the thumbs up button, please, Vibes, Sam. It helps my video, and share it, and run over Instagram and follow me. And by the way, be sure to click the bell so you can get notification when I post videos, right? Thank you for watching. God bless you.